Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the no sound on TV when connected to laptop with HDMI on Windows 11 or 10. So if you are facing this issue, your sound is not working while you connect it to your TV. So this video is for you. First of all, you need to open the control panel and this will fix your issue. Choose here the large icons and then you need to select here the sound option. Here is sound. Now, once you see the sound options here, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your inbuilt speaker is selected as default here. Sometime what happens that it takes the virtual speaker on your computer, so you need to disable that. How you can disable the virtual speaker on your computer? Just you need to right click and simply disable it. Once you disable it, you need to make sure that your inbuilt speaker is as default. Just click on set as default and your issue will be fixed instantly after applying this easy methods. If this option is not working for you, what you can do is, since we are on this page, so open the device manager and simply update the audio driver on your laptop or system. Just need to all the drivers, update it. Also sound video on game controller inside this option like this, and this will fix your issue. If this fix is also not working for you, we can open the Windows services and then from there we can restart the service here. So we are on at this page. What we can do is we can open the Windows tool, and once we open the Windows tool, we need to open services here. Just double click on this and click anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard. Look for Windows audio here and simply restart it, and you need to make sure it is running. If it is not running, just double click and set it as automatic start service apply OK, and once it is apply OK, it will fix your issue. So these are the fixes to fix the issue guys. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.